Hello everyone, Suresh KP from myinvestmenttraders.com. Today we're going to discuss about Indigo Paints IPO. About Indigo Paints, Indigo Paints one of the fastest growing top 5 paint companies in India. They are the fifth largest company in the Indian decorative paint industry in terms of revenue for FY20. IPO issue details. IPO is going to open on 20th January. It's going to close on 22nd January. Face value is 10 per share. The IPO price band is 1,488 to 1,490 per share. The issue size is 1,176 crores. It has both fresh issue as well as for offer for sale. The IPO lot size is 10 shares. What is the objects of the IPO? It contains two objects. One, offer for sale. Money received under OFS will go to selling shareholders and company will not receive any proceeds. The fresh issue, these funds will be used by the company for funding capital expenditure for expansion of its existing manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu, as well as for purchasing of tinting machines, repayment of and prepayment of all its certain borrowings. Who are the promoters of the company? Hemant Jalan, Anita Jalan, Parag Jalan, Kamala Prasad Jalan, Taradevi Jalan, and Halogen Chemicals Private Limited are the promoters of the company. Let's see the company financial performance. It has posted strong revenue growth in the last 3.5 years, and even it has a strong growth in margins. If you see for FY18, it has given 3.2% profit, whereas for 6 months ending September 2020, profits have improved to 10.4%. What are the key strengths of Indigo Paints? It has a good track record of consistent growth in the fast-growing industry, though it has significant entry barriers. And actually, it has a differentiated products leading to the greater brand recognition kind of thing. And if you see, it is focused brand building initiatives to gradually build the brand equity, and it has extensive distribution network for better brand penetration. It has a well qualified and professional team. What are the key strategies company want to adopt to grow? One, it want to continue to focus on developing the differentiated products and further strengthen its brand to consolidate its position and as a leading paint company in India. It want to have a deepen penetration existing markets and expand its presence into new territories and by populating tinting machines. It want to expand its manufacturing capacities. Why to invest in Indigo Paints IPO? Indigo Paints, one of the fastest growing paint companies in India. Currently, it stands at top 5 paint companies in terms of revenue for FY 2020. It has generated strong revenue growth in the last 3.5 years. And if you see, even margins have improved a lot in the last 3.5 years. It was generating 3.2% margins for FY18 versus 10.4% for 6 months ending September 2020. What are some of the risk factors in this Indigo Paints IPO? One, it's an inability to protect and strengthen its enhancing its existing company brand will have a impact on company financial performance, and the continuing impact of COVID-19 pandemic also will have. We need to wait for some more time to see how it's going to shape up, and then that will continue. The risk is going to continue for some more time, and the company engaged in highly competitive business. Any failure can have a impact on the company business. For complete internal and external factors, you can refer the prospectus of the company. Now to apply Indigo Paints IPO, you can follow these steps. Log into your Demat account, visit IPO section, check for Indigo Paints IPO link and click on bid, set the IPO price and set the bid quantity and submit. Now let's see about the Indigo Paints IPO price, whether about the valuations. On the upper price band of 1,490 and EPS of 10.49 for FY20, the P works out to be 142x. So even if we consider last 3 years EPS, P is at 194x. And if we analyze FY21 EPS, right, then the P works out to be 124x. Means company is asking for the issue price of 1,490 in the P range of 124x to 194x. But if you see, the P is very, very high. But if you see, there are listed pairs like Berger Paints, which is trading at 177x, which is the highest in the industry, and AkzoNobel at a PE of 63x, which is the lowest in the industry. But if you see, companies filed the draft red herring prospectus DRP in November 2020, where all this PE actually has increased by almost 50% from November to January. So considering these ratios, Indigo Paints IPO price is highly priced. Should you invest in this IPO? Indigo Paints is among the top 5 and fastest growing paint companies in India. It has shown strong revenue and margin growth, but the issue price is highly priced. I would have been excited if the issue price would have been on the lower side. But considering the current bull run, high risk investors can invest for listing gains as well as for short term. But if you see in the medium to long term, it could be risky proposition compared to its peers. If you have any queries, reach out to me, Suresh at myinvestmentedge.com. Thank you.